through service to the people, and that is why sister narrated what was her experience in Mumbai. Mumbai, such institutions are more now. Throughout India, we can see more. But in Goa also, per capita income wise, Mr. Loboji, the Goa is the richest state in that. All of you can come to Rajbhavan only for the purpose of our heart-to-heart relationship. Other things you can approach your efficient MLAs.
Assistant parish priest बाब जॉन आणि आमचो बीजेपीचो मंडल अध्यक्ष कलंगूट and everyone present here, press media. I'll tell you, this is the first time in the history of governors, politics, and this is my 18th year, 3 terms in the panchayat, and now this is the third year as a MLA. Never ever केन्नाच आमी गव्हर्नराक गांवांनी येयल्ले केन्नाच पळोवंक ना. सारके तुम्ही सांगात केन्ना तरी येयल्यात गव्हर्नर गांवांनी येयल्यात. फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर ब्लेस्ड विथ अ गव्हर्नर विथ अ कॉन्शियन्स. I think last year तेणे गांवांनी गेलो. He visited every village of Goa and he has a little fund. कितें पयशे आहा तेका he gave to the really needy people of Goa, to those who are suffering from kidney ailments, dialysis कोण करताली ती, आणि cancer patients. आणि अजूनूय हांव केन्ना केन्ना लेटर I still make some appeals to him, And first time I've seen a governor coming to a village and distributing the checks to our needy people in all the villages of Goa. Besides that, he visited all the constituencies and visited our holy places, places of historical importance. हो पयले पावटी हांवें परते म्हणटा पयले पावटी गव्हर्नराचें काम कितें तें एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव. आमचे असेंब्ली सेशन आसता तेन्ना गव्हर्नर स्पीच दिवपाची तितलेच ते गव्हर्नराच्या पॅलेसीन रावपाचे. बट हियर इज वन वी गोवन्स आर ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव गव्हर्नर ऑफ कॉन्शियन्स. ते कोणाकूच बेश्ट्याक येना तेका जाय जाल्ल्यार आपल्या पॅलेसान रावंक जाता आसलें. पूण गांवांनी वयता आनी आयच्या दिसा टुडे दिस इज द थर्ड ऑर्फनेज ही इज विजिटींग. 2 years already visited in Maksa, and this is the third orphanage where he has some time ago 38 children. Now they are around 12. Our sister Victoria and Vijaya, that under their leadership they take good care of them, and the best is they are given education. Everybody is being educated. It's not just that they are here. Everybody is given education, and at the end of their SSC or 12th or graduation, it is seen to that they get some job. Even that service is being provided. So I am really grateful to our honorable governor for visiting our beautiful small village here, Parra, our home, and pray to the Almighty that He may bless you and your family with good health and many blessings, peace of mind, to carry on the good service to mankind what you are doing. God bless you, and big round of applause to our governor. And God bless you.
We belong to the Sister Christabel Trust, Sisters of Mother Teresa's Roses. This home at Muddavadu, Para, was started by Sister Christabel and a small group of sisters and dedicated volunteers in the year 2007. The aim of this establishment is to look after disadvantaged young girls between the age of 6 to 18 years. Our objective is to make them self-sufficient, independent, career-oriented, and with good values. Many of our girls have gone into society as young, capable women, transformed into responsible citizens and working in different fields. Example, ground staff at airport, front office in cruise ships, tailor in bank, special educator, office admin, lecturer in a college. We now have 12 girls and we look forward with renewed hope that with the help of society, we will be able to shape many young lives favorably. We thank you, Honorable Governor, for visiting our home and interacting with our young girls. Your interest in our welfare has touched our hearts and strengthened our commitments. We also thank all our well-wishers and patrons for their love, support and generosity. Thanking you, sir.
A very good evening to one and all who are present over here. His Excellency P.S. Sridharan Pillaiji, who's come all the way from Rajbhavan, a small, humble Sushagat village of Goa, that is village of Parra. We welcome you, sir, over here with all the people from Parra and neighboring villages, all the sarpanchas of the neighboring villages, sisters, all the press and electronic media who is present over here, Zilla Panchayat member Datta, and all you people. आमचे गोंय आनी केरला जो सराचो गांव हे रिझेंबल जाता. हे आमी सदांच म्हणटा हिंगासून केरला वचत जाल्यार आमच्या गोंया भाशेनूच आहा. ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड, हिल्स, दे हॅव fields, water, rivers and the beach. हिंगासरले लोक आनी हिंगासरले लोक सारखे शांतिकायेचे. They all love each other. Today we have a very simple, humble person who became the governor of Goa. Pillaiji came to Goa, understood Goa, Goans, and he broke the records of all the other past governors. He said, I will take the governor's palace to the doorsteps of the people. And this is what His Excellency has delivered and done to the people of Goa. Honorable MLA Delilah has spoken about he going to all the villages, giving checks to the needy, people suffering from cancer, whoever's kidney ailments, for dialysis and other required medication, that is small checks were given to them. आता तो पोत्तून अनेकदा बाहेर सरला. जितके अनाथ आश्रम आहा, होम फॉर द होमलेस, मदर ट्रिजा रोजीस असले आनी कितलेशेच हा गोंयान, तांकां कितें तरी गरज आसतली आनी तेजो डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर जो आहा, जो तो चेक सँक्शन करूंक सोदता, आपूण खालतो जावन, आपूण सुकयलो मनीस जावन, आमच्या भाशेंतलो एक सादारण मनीस जावन तो तिंगासून पालासीनसून आमच्या विलेजीन येयलो, आमच्या क्रिस्टेबल ट्रस्टान येयलो आनी भुरग्यांक मेळलो, इंटरॅक्ट केले, अंडरस्टँड केले, तुमी शिकता व शिकोना, बरे स्कुलान आहा, सगळे तेणे आयकोन घेतले आनी तो हे बरे काम करपा खातीर हिंगा विलेजीन येयलो. तशेंच तो म्हापसा एक संस्थेन आहा, और कितलो 3 years टर्म आहा, 4 years टर्म आहा, ते येता पालासीन आहा, ते आपले whatever is happening in the state of Goa, they report to the center what needs to be done, or they only give suggestions. पण तेजे भायर वचोन तेणे गव्हर्नर कितें करूंक शकता, गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर कितें करूंक शकता, आयडियाज कशे दिवंक शकता, गव्हर्नमेंटाक कसो गायड करूंक शकता, खूंय कितें रॉंग आहा जाल्यार तांकां कितें सांगूंक शकता, हे सगळी कामां ऑनरेबल हिज एक्सलन्सीन करून दाखयल्ली आहा गोंयांत ह्या तेजे टेन्युअरान. आनी म्हाका दिसता अशें पयले फावट जे जाला हे फुडें जावचें, म्हणजे श्रीधरन पिल्लय हिंगासून आनी खंय वयतलो गव्हर्नर थिंगा करतलो, पण जो मनीस नेवो येतलो तेणे म्हाका दिसता पालासीनसून भायरूच सरोन आमच्या विलेजींनी, गोंयच्या विलेजींनी 186 विलेजीस जे आहा आमच्या गोंयांत थिंगा वचोन खऱ्यांनीच लोकांचें दुख्ख सजमोवपाची गरज आहा. हे पयले फावटी जाला, त्या खातीर हांव मान बागोवन आय bow down before you, sir, that the great work what you have done for the people of Goa, and the people of Goa and the generations to come will not forget this, will always keep it in their mind that a governor came from Kerala state and he understood Goans and what the Goans want. They don't want, they only want your love, they only want your kindness. That what you have shown to us today will always be remembered and will be written in the books of history in the future days to come. I thank the Honorable Governor for coming over here and gracing this occasion and spending his time with us. Thank you very much. God bless.